Transhumance refers to the movement of people with their herds of animals from place to place. Now, researchers sometimes make a distinction between two types of transhumance, fixed and nomadic. For fixed transhumance, the pattern is sometimes known as vertical, because it typically consists of a journey from lower ground to higher ground. Nomadic transhumance generally takes place over a longer distance, and it's far more complex and varied. In the case of fixed transhumance, the group will typically have permanent homes in a shelter, which is semi-permanent in the mountains, such as a cabin, to offer some protection from the weather. In nomadic transhumance, however, the pastoralists always live in temporary shelters, which are transported by their livestock from place to place. In northern Kenya, for example, the Gabbra pastoralist carries the frame of his home on his camel, and then covers it with branches when he stops for the night. In the case of fixed transhumance, only the people who actually look after the herds travel. These are normally the young ones, because they can withstand adverse physical conditions more easily. By contrast, in nomadic transhumance, the whole group moves with their livestock. In fixed transhumance, those who do not move from the valleys often start working as farmers, cultivating the land. They build up contacts with other communities, and in some cases they may also trade animals for grain. In nomadic transhumance, there are few contacts. The group are generally regarded as providers of all their own needs, and they obtain food such as cheese and meat and also their clothing from their herds. People in the fixed transhumance have traditionally assisted local farmers with their harvest. We have to decide whether their move would fall within the category of fixed or nomadic transhumance. It is true they live in tents, and these are movable and temporary right through the year, so, in considering their homes, they appear nomadic. On the other hand, in relation to their patterns of movement they do not. They drive their livestock through the same passes in mountains each year, which suggests fixed transhumance. Here, in fact, we have a case showing some features of both types of transhumance, which we might more precisely refer to as intermediate. This all goes to show that you should treat every theory with great care.